Hey guys, so let's begin. So I'm going to be using the Morphe 24A Pass palette. I will be using the color Sage Persona. For this look, you will only be using 3 colors literally. I'm just putting this all over my eyes, not really caring how neat it is. Like, I'm just kind of like working back and forth with it and just kind of pressing the amount of shade I want. Next thing, I'm just going to go in with a clean blush, clean the crease, just make it look soft, not too harsh. The next shade I'm going in with is called Secret Set, and let me tell you, I love this shade. I'm just packing it in the inner corner of the eye, on more focusing it on the lid, not really going above my crease. I did start off with the brush, but you kind of see me go in with my finger. I found that with my finger it actually allowed more pigmentation to be on my eye than the brush was doing, but I do go in back with the brush after just to clean it up, not so it doesn't look so messy but still look very focused towards the front of the eye. And I try like not to go past my crease just because I don't want the purple color to go to be faded out or anything like that. And you can see here I'm just pretty much adding a little bit more. Like I said, a lot of it is preference and how much glitter you like. I kind of wanted it to be more a mix of both the glitter and the purple shade. With the power of editing, I put lashes and liner. Any lash, any liner works best. I just went with some Ardell's and a Smashbox eyeliner. Next thing I'm going with this eyebrow pencil by Anastasia, and the shade is medium brown. And I just needed to clean the brushes a little, or not my brushes, my eyebrows. Yes. Okay, next thing I go in with Sage Persona in Major Inspo. And I'm just adding a little bit on the lower lash. Before I would never do this, but I just feel like it adds such a beautiful look to like your eye, and just the dimension, like how it makes it look, just looks beautiful. I also go in with Private Oasis in the inner corner of the eye, and let me tell you, this shade is just talking to me. It is so beautiful. I went in a few times because I wanted that to stand out. And you can't forget the brow highlight, so I went in with All Axis. I just went very lightly. I didn't want too much highlight going, and I just cleaned up the crease a little bit more, just make sure it all blends. Final thing is I just add mascara. Any mascara works. This is one from Wet n Wild and I love it. And here's your final look as it is. With everything going on, I just thought, why not just do the eyes and put on a mask on, and your look is complete. Hope you guys like it. See you guys in the next one. Bye.